Hi, I'm Marianna Bacellar-Galdino. I'm part of the ophthalmology department at Scranton Preclinical Site, and I'm going to talk about my poster that it's entitled Subretinal Injection of Sodium Iodide Creates a Geographic Atrophy-Like Model in Nanopigs. Geographic atrophy, or GA, is one of the major signs in dry age-related macular degeneration, so AMD, which refers to the cell death of the retinal pigment epithelium that precedes photoreceptor death that leads to blindness. The sodium iodide is known to impair RPE, which leads to the degeneration of the photoreceptors and this modeling a geographic atrophy in animals. The nanopig is an ideal candidate for developing a large ocular animal model, in this case, because of the similarities that the retina has to the human eye, such as a photoreceptor dominant periphery and a cone photoreceptor dominant visual streak. So the objective of this study was to create and develop this animal model using nanopigs and injecting the sodium iodide subretinally to have a standardized damage in the back of the eye. So we used 3 nanopigs from Sinclair Research Altasciences. They received bilateral subretinal injection of 100 microliters in the eye, and they were followed up by doing ophthalmic examinations, color fundus pictures, IR fundus pictures, OCT, and fluorescein angiography, FA. So you can see in the images that right above those, you can see the creation of the damage or the bleb that will develop a damage later on day 3, 8, and 14 that can be seen by the atrophy of the retina in the OCT. You can also see the damage it's well seen the damage on the retinal FA as well, and in the RI fundus, where you see that the area that was damaged has a line or a more reflective view on the image. So the retina was reattached by day 3, as observed in OCT images, and we could see some likely inflammatory cells in the vitreous as well in the OCT. The conclusion of this study is that the subretinal injection of the sodium iodide successfully created a localized geographic atrophy-like lesion in nanopigs, and this localized damage is a very good model that will allow the screening and development of new therapies and drug candidates for dry AMD. Thank you.